What is Winget? Winget is a package manager in Windows that lets you install apps directly from the command line. So first open up your command line and type Winget and hit enter. This will give you details regarding the Winget command line utility, including all the following commands which are available with it. So now to install an app using Winget, we need to have the ID of the app. To get the ID of the app, we need to use the search command. Type Winget search and then the name of the app which you're searching for. Let's say in my case, I want to search for Firefox. I will type Firefox and I'll hit enter. This will give you details regarding all the apps which have the name Firefox in them, including their ID, version, match, and source. All we need is the ID for now. So to install an app, just type winget install and then copy the ID of the app you want to install and paste it in the install command and hit enter. It'll ask you to agree to these terms. Just click on Y and hit enter. So now Firefox has been successfully installed in my system, as you can see. Now that we've learned how to install apps, let's learn how to update apps. In your command line, type winget upgrade and hit enter. This will give you a list of all apps which can be updated to a newer version in your machine. So let's say I want to update one specific app. I'm gonna update WinRAR. So in order to update that, I will type winget upgrade. Again, I'm gonna copy the ID of the app and paste it in the upgrade command and hit enter. As you can see, WinRAR has been successfully updated to a newer version in my system. So now let's learn how to uninstall an app using Winget. To uninstall an app, just type Winget uninstall and then again you can type in the name or the ID of the app which you want to uninstall. Let's say in my case I want to uninstall Firefox. I will type in Firefox. Now I'll hit enter. As you can see, Firefox is now successfully uninstalled. So yeah, these are all the basic commands which you can do using Winget. If you want to learn more about the more advanced commands for Winget, I will leave a link in the description to the main Winget documentation on the Microsoft website. You can go through that. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you later.